Hi everyone, my name is Mike and I'm a broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in Oakland Park, which is in the Winter Garden area. We're a little bit west of Orlando. We're going to show you this home behind me, which was built by JJ Builders. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with 1,991 square feet. Now, if you want to recreate one like this behind us, this is their model home. You're looking at about 1.35 million, and that is as of today, which is June 15th, 2022. So let's go ahead and show you the front of this home. So come on over here and look up the front entryway. So of course we have all this, we'll show you that in a second, but over here on this side we do have a driveway. This driveway goes into a 2-car garage, and then also the 2-car garage is connected to a casita that we'll also show you in a little bit. But follow me up here to the front of the home, which I think is really cool. We go up these stairs, which has really nice wood flooring going all the way throughout. And of course, you open up to this front patio area. It's one of the larger patios that I've seen in any of the homes that we've looked at. And of course, we have this little area where you can sit out here and enjoy the beautiful Florida weather, see your neighbors across the street. A very, very beautiful community here. And of course, we have this beautiful ceiling going all the way through that's all wood. It's got like a sort of light grayish blue color to it. And of course, the actual siding is also beautiful. It's got some sort of texture to it that makes it really pop. And then of course, we come to our front door, which is done in a nice blue color. So all the colors are done really well with the grays and the whites and the blues. So let's go ahead and go inside and check out this home. All right, so welcome to this beautiful home. So as I close the door behind me, the first thing I notice as I come in, we do have some really nice hardwood floors throughout the first floor. And then over here on this side, we have a little drop zone area. You can have some little baskets down here to store shoes and stuff. And of course, we have shelves and a nice window right in the middle. Now on the other side, we do have an office. We have some ship lay going across the actual area, and of course, crown molding all the way around. So it'll be a nice little area for an office, or you can even make this into like a little formal living room. It's right off your front porch, so you can look out and see the beautiful Florida day outside, or when your UPS person comes, you'll be right here, nice and convenient to actually get the deliveries. Now, over on this direction, we do have our family room. So this is a nice area. We do have the primary suite on the other side as well. So as I come into this family room, what you notice is that it's a nice large area. We have an electronic fireplace right there in the center, and of course some built-in cabinets and shelves. Above us, we have some really nice wood beams that are painted white throughout the whole first floor. And of course, we even have surround sound speakers on the ceiling above us. Now, as I go back the other direction, I'm gonna show you the kitchen. So as I come over here to the kitchen, we have the double oven or oven microwave. And of course, plenty of cabinets, really nice cabinets, light browns here, and then we have some sort of dark brown trim going all the way around. And the cabinets over here actually turn from that light brown to the dark brown. But of course, this here is not a cabinet, it's actually a refrigerator. So we have the fridge on this side, a freezer on this side. I'll open up the freezer so you can see that it is a refrigerator. Now, the center island is really cool. I like this. We have that solid surface white countertop. But what's really neat about this one is the way that they've done the actual center island itself with the woodworking, with the light browns and dark browns around. And of course, we have the 2 lights above. Now, as I go through the rest of the kitchen, looking at this side first, we do have that really nice backsplash, which is some really light gray colors. We have a window on either side of the 6-burner gas stove. And of course, above it, we do have an air vent. And this has got a really, really beautiful decor going over it, as far as this woodworking design going up with the actual planks going across with the light browns and dark browns. I think they did an excellent job there. On the other side, we do have this really nice sink that's sort of below the actual countertop. And then of course the dishwasher. As we continue going through, we have a little area here where you can make your coffee, more storage. And of course we have a pantry right here behind me with plenty of storage for all your dry goods. So as we go over to this other area, we have our dining room. Dining room is set up for 5 people. It's a beautiful marble table, beautiful light above us as well. And then we even have a wet bar on this side. And the wet bar is all set up with your cabinets, really nice white solid surface counters. We even have a champagne or wine refrigerator down here, and a sink, and of course that backsplash that matches in the kitchen. And I love these floating shelves that go up as well. And of course our cabinets up here have the glass fronts for putting all your fine china and stuff. So let's go ahead. There's a door here that goes out to the patio, but before we go down that area, we're gonna come all the way over here and show you the primary bedroom suite. So follow me this direction as we go over here. And if you haven't done it already, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel if you like following us and seeing homes in the Central Florida area. So here we are into the primary suite. We can go either direction. We're gonna go ahead and go left. and show you the primary bedroom first. So here is the primary bedroom, nice size. We have the windows. The windows look out to the beautiful lawn and pool area that we'll show you in just a little bit. And of course we have crown molding, even some recessed lights above us here as well. But king size bed, we have a couple smaller windows on either side for some natural light. As we go down this hallway, we do go into a closet. There are 2 closets. This is one of the 2 closets. So plenty of space here for all your clothes, shoes, anything that you might need. And then we do have other storage space. We have a storage cabinet here. And then we go over here to these really large ceramic tile floor into the bathroom. And of course we have our double sink over here with the dark wood color cabinets. And of course we have like a beige countertop. And then this mirror with these really cool light fixtures over it, really looking modern. I like how they have it. Looks like it's sort of like on a pulley system as well. That's really cool. We have a pedestal tub behind me, or a garden tub, I should say. Of course, a couple windows for some natural light. And then on this side, we do have the second closet. So also relatively good as far as the space on this. And then right next to it is the water closet. So let's go ahead and go to the back of the house. So go ahead and follow me to the back of the house as we're trying to catch Antonio running away from the camera. He does our Spanish channel. So any of you that are interested in watching this in Spanish, we'll have a link below for our Spanish channel. But also if you're looking to buy or sell, make sure you give us a call. Phone number is 407-487-3030 as we come into this area and show you what's really cool are the floors. These floors are really neat because they're brand new tile, but they look like they actually are part of a historic house. And I love the colors and I like how they do it. And then on the other side, we do have a little bit different tile, but it still has that historic look going throughout, which is really, really neat. And of course, this is a half bath with some nice white cabinets, gray countertops, circle mirror, and then a really nice light fixture above us as well. The next step would be the laundry room, which I believe we might meet up with Tracy as we go there.
Hi.
This is Tracy. She she's the representative here for J&J Builders. So as we come into the laundry room, we have the countertops. Our countertops are gray, cabinets are white. I'm all messed up today, am I? And of course we have our sink, and we even have a little area here to hang. The washer and dryer would go on this side. Currently they're using it for storage. If you need some toilet paper, they got a ton of it here. So we have a shortage, we got it good. So let's go ahead and check out the outdoor area, which I think is really cool. All right, so welcome to the outdoor area of this home. And this is my favorite part of this specific home. First of all, you have travertine tile that goes all the way throughout, so it's absolutely beautiful. And of course, we have a casita behind the camera, and we also have the pool. But let's go ahead first and go down this pathway over to the back patio area and show you that. So as we come up here, we step up, and of course, the travertine continues through this area. And then of course we have the door that we passed earlier, and then we also have the sliding glass door that goes all the way. And here you can see how it's now all hidden right behind there. So all these panels will actually open up and actually end up over here. So it's really nice. It's currently set up for it looks like a 6-person dining set. So they didn't put all the chairs away when they were here earlier. So let's fix that really quickly. So anyway, and then of course above us is the ceiling. The ceiling's got that same gray color that we saw on the front porch area, and of course a fan in the middle. The really cool area that I like is that we do have these little stepping stones that go out to a gate, but then they have this privacy wall with this beautiful landscaping as we come into our backyard. I love this area. I think if you have kids or you just have anyone coming out here, this is a really, really nice backyard area with this beautiful grass and of course all this tropical landscaping that continues over to the pool. And the pool's got like a plant shelf with all the tropical trees on there as well, even a palm tree, and it has a little waterfall coming off into this very beautiful turquoise pool going all the way over here. They even have these really nice planters. And then here you can really see that actual walkway that's covered that goes from the main house all the way over into the casita and the garage. Now, over here we do have a gate, so you can have this all private. If you did have any pets, keep the pets in. This area here would be the 2-car garage. Currently, as they said, they're using it as an office, so they have it currently covered, but when they sell, that would be converted back to a 2-car garage. And then this door goes into the garage. And then as we come up here, we have a pool house and casita area. We step up with more travertine tile all the way throughout. And the first thing we see is this summer kitchen. So the summer kitchen has a nice barbecue, has some storage areas, and also a sink with this nice granite countertop. They've even got some nice woodworking paneling going on. All right, of course, next to the summer kitchen, we do have a couple French doors that go into the pool house or the casita area. You can use that. I probably use it as like an outdoor gym, I think that, or indoor outdoor gym. I think that would be great. And then over on the other side, we do have a half bath. And of course, we have that same ceiling going all the way across here as well. Now, if I come back this direction and see a great view of the pool and also that yard, I think the colors, the blues and the greens just go so well together. And of course, all the tropical landscaping as well. So let's go ahead and go back inside and check out the second story of this home and show you what's up there. All right, so here we are on the second floor of this beautiful home. As we come up here, the first thing we have is we have our little loft area. So this would be a great little hangout area. We have a TV. Of course, we have some built-in shelves for all your books. So if you're into reading books, that would be a great area to do that. And we even have a little space for an office if you wanted to do any sort of homework or anything there. Now, if we come this direction, what we see is we have these really nice wood rails and also the metal inserts going all the way through, which is really nice. As we come through this hallway, all done with some really nice flooring. And then as we're up here, we do have a full bathroom. Bathroom has some nice ceramic tile flooring, has some beautiful gray cabinets, and of course this countertop. And then we see the shower behind me, which is a tub shower with the tile as well. So all these rooms are not staged like we said earlier. So we're going to show you really quickly. We have bedroom number 2 right here, which is just a basic bedroom. We do have a closet on that side. And then this is bedroom number 3. That was 2, this is number 3. This one also has a walk-in closet on this side as well. And then the 4th bedroom has its own bathroom, so let's go ahead and show you that. So as you come down here, go back through, this will be bedroom number 4. This one's got a little bit left of the decor with the windows because they did have a stage at one point, but this one does have a full bathroom, which is really cool. So we do have the white cabinets and of course a floating sink that's above it. And I love the shower. The shower has some really cool pebble flooring on it as far as the tile work and the gray tiles. And we also have some windows for some natural light. So that's this home. I want to thank you all for watching and talk to you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.